Good morning, students. In my previous class, I finished the annual report of presentation. Now I start annual report for publication. Annual report for publication means we have to publish the annual report either in a college magazine or in the newspaper. This is annual report for publication in the college magazine. When suppose annual function has been already celebrated and what things that has been observed that we have to write and we have to publish in the college magazine. When we write the answer of annual report for publication in the college magazine, we should remember the following points. You try to recall the points what we have already discussed in the presentation. There were 8 points. Seti ami neithula 8 point, but here all these points are not necessary. Ethi ami kon dekhuchu, we should remember the following points means number 1 point, heading in bold letter or block letter. बोल्ड साधारणतः हेडिंग लेखा जीवो बोल्ड लेटर बा ब्लॉक लेटर लेखा जीवो. सेकंड पॉइंट होची बॉडी डिस्क्राइब एम करिवा. लास्ट पॉइंट होची नेम एंड डेजिग्नेशन इन लेफ्ट बॉटम साइड. एंड एनुअल रिपोर्ट फॉर पब्लिकेशन इन द कॉलेज मैगजीन. एनुअल रिपोर्ट एनुअल फंक्शन सरला परे जहाँ घटना घटला ताको आमे कोन करिवु जे गोटे कॉलेज मैगजीन पब्लिश करिया पे लिखिवा. दिस इज कॉल्ड एनुअल रिपोर्ट फॉर पब्लिकेशन इन द कॉलेज मैगजीन. वन क्वेश्चन, thinking yourself as the secretary of an athletic association, write a report on the activities of the association to be published in the college magazine. How you identify whether it belongs to presentation or publication? In the publication, the very word to be published in the college magazine, the very word is there in the question. क्वेश्चन ने यही प्रकार वार्ड थी तेणु से तुम जापर प्रकृत में यहाँ हूँ पब्लिकेशन ग्रुप कहीं बिकज टू बी पब्लिश्ड द वेरी वर्ड पब्लिश्ड इज देयर पब्लिश्ड इन द कॉलेज मैगजीन. जमी आम देखुलू प्रेजेंटेशन टू बी पब्लिश्ड और टू बी रीड आउट, टू बी प्रेजेंटेड और टू बी रीड आउट, बट हियर टू बी पब्लिश्ड इन द कॉलेज मैगजीन. एथुर आम जापर यहाँ हूँ पब्लिकेशन ग्रुप रे जाऊँ एनुअल रिपोर्टर पब्लिकेशन. आंसर जिते बड़ा आम लेखा स्टार्ट करूँ फर्स्ट वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड द हेडिंग ए रिपोर्ट ऑन वेरियस. व्हाट इज द हेडिंग? ए रिपोर्ट ऑन एक्टिविटीज. व्हाट यू राइट इन द हेडिंग दैट इज ऑल्सो इन द विदिन द क्वेश्चन. ए रिपोर्ट ऑन द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द एसोसिएशन. सो सेम थिंग, ए रिपोर्ट ऑन वेरियस एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द एथलेटिक एसोसिएशन ऑफ VRHSS means Vinayak Residential Higher Secondary School. Or it may be slightly changed, various activities of athletic association of VRHSS a report means प्रथमे ए रिपोर्ट को प्रथमे लिखि परिबो बा जदि ए रिपोर्ट प्रथमे न लिखुचो ताले कोन करिवो एटा को लास्ट भी लिखि परिबो. मु आई हैव गिवन 2 headings, you can choose only one. Various activities of athletic association of VRHSS a report. ए रिपोर्ट को हम फास्ट लिखले कौन आसुची ए रिपोर्ट ऑन वेरियस एक्टिविटीज ऑफ एथलेटिक एसोसिएशन ऑफ VRHSS. और जदि ए रिपोर्ट को लास्ट को आनिबा तले कौन आसीबो वेरियस एक्टिविटीज ऑफ एथलेटिक एसोसिएशन ऑफ VRHSS ए रिपोर्ट. सेम टाइटल सेम बट देयर इज लिटिल बिट चेंज. एंड आफ्टर द हेडिंग देन we start the body description means question is there. Think as you are thinking yourself as the secretary of the athletic association means you have to write the details of the body about the athletic association. Athletic means खेल कथा लिखिबो. The athletic association of our college for the session 2020-21 came into existence soon after the election of its office bearers. Because after the college election is over, you possessed a seat, you possessed a designation that is called what? Secretary. What secretary? As secretary of the athletic association. So the athletic association of our college for the session 2020-21 came into existence soon after the election of its office bearers. It came into full swing just before the Puja vacation. Our athletic association ATHLETIC athletic association conducted what activities conducted high jump, long jump, 100-meter race, 200-meter race respectively. In the last part of January, we arranged college annual sports. Jeevan Jyoti Pal in the long jump, Manoj Kumar Swai in the high jump, and Bismay Mohanty in the 100-meter run. In the boys wings, won in the competition. Meenakshi Nanda in long jump. You can write also different names. This is not a matter. Meenakshi Nanda in long jump, Subhasmita Sahu in high jump, Pragati Nayak in 100-meter race. In girl wings, won in the competition. The particular name what I have written, that is not these names you may not mention. Rather, you can also change the names of the students. The winners of both boys and girls wings were awarded in the function. You would just try to remember the important point. What is that? Annual report for publication in the college magazine means already this annual function has been celebrated. After the celebration, after the completion of annual function, we are writing in the answer. This association also conducted inter-college matches in football and cricket. In both football and cricket matches, our college won the champion trophy. The viewers become spellbound, having seen. Spellbound means stabda hijiba. Spellbound, having seen the miraculous performance of the students of the college. Lastly, I thanked to the chairpersons, my beloved principal, my assistant secretary for their kind cooperation in discharging my duties, for which the meeting came to a grand success. Lastly, last point that I have told you, what? Your name, write your own name, and designation means as question. Always remember that the name and the designation means thinking yourself like this. You have to think yourself as the secretary of the athletic association or athletic your dramatic secretary, dramatic association or cultural association. At the time, this is your designation. What? Secretary of athletic association, secretary of cultural association, secretary of dramatic association. As I have mentioned, what? Your name, self name is there, and this is called what? Designation, athletic secretary. Not some students also write athletic association. No, not athletic association. It is also athletic secretary. After the name, you write the only designation, not other things. This is the annual report of what? Publication in the college magazine. This question may change. What? Publication in the newspaper. Publication in the newspaper means at the time you remember, you just try to recall that the newspaper report. Newspaper report means what? First heading is given, then place, month, date and colon mark and body. If it is as you are thinking yourself as the what? Your staff reporter हेले तमे राइट साइड रे कोन करतलो विदिन ब्रैकेट भितरे बाय द स्टाफ रिपोर्टर पेपर ना प्लेस ना लेखुतलो. किंतु annual report for publication in the college magazine, it is written in this type. If it is written in the newspaper, so this answer will be converted to newspaper format. Newspaper format means, as we have already discussed, newspaper report से टाइप रे लिखा जीवो. कॉलेज मैगजीन लिखला बेले प्रथम हेडिंग देकी तापर बॉडी डिस्क्राइब करी तापर कोन करिबा हमर नेम एंड डेजिग्नेशन लिखिबा. किंतु जदि एई आंसर को आमे न्यूज़पेपर पब्लिकेशन करिबा ताले हेडिंग रहिबो. हेडिंग परे कोन प्लेस, मंथ, डेट कोलन मार देकी सेमी कोलन देकी पुनी बॉडी डिस्क्राइब करिबो. दिस इज द फॉर्मेट. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट विल बी डिस्कस.